Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a pepper steak with brown rice. So I have a large saute pan here heating up over low heat with a little bit of olive oil in it. I also have a medium saute pan here that has been heating up over medium heat. First thing that we want to do, we have some slices of red, green, and yellow pepper that we're going to saute until soft. Give or take 3 to 4 minutes on these. So we're going to let those begin to work away. I am going to season them with a pinch of salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, we have our steaks here, which we have tempered or allowed to come to room temperature. And inside of our bowl here we have some flour, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some salt and pepper. We're going to dredge our steaks in those. Just kind of place a steak in the flour. Make sure it coats evenly. Shake off any excess. And repeat the process here. It's going to form a nice crust on our steaks. I'm going to bring the heat up on the pan in which I'm going to brown the steaks. Alright, we're going to continue letting our peppers soften. Alright, I'm going to do 2 of these at a time, so not to overcrowd the pan. We're going to let those sear on both sides. Okay, flipped our first 2 steaks. Our peppers are starting to get soft. Alright, I'm going to pull the first of our steak. Okay, so our peppers are nice and soft. We're going to place these in a bowl. Let them set on the side. Alright, so in the pan that we sauteed our peppers in, I'm going to add tomatoes, soy sauce, a little bit of pepper. We've already kind of got the salt from the soy sauce. We're going to let this begin to cook down. Alright, I'm just checking my steaks for their doneness. They're still pretty soft in the center, so that means they're close to a rare or a medium rare. We're looking more for a medium to a medium well. I'm going to take the 2 that I have already pulled, and I'm actually going to nestle these down in our sauce, and they will cook a little bit more in here. We're going to do the same thing with our others. So we're going to let these kind of cook away in here for a few more minutes. Let this sauce kind of cook down around our steaks. Okay, so now we're going to pull our steaks out. Continue to cook in here. Our sauce is thickening. We're going to let those rest before we slice them. I'm ready to now pull this off of the heat. All right, at this point, we're going to allow our steaks to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll slice those up. We'll pair them with our peppers, which we've already sauteed, and our sauce, which you can either leave in the state that it is in now, or you can blend it up. It just depends on mouthfeel and preference there. I think I may go ahead and blend mine up, but again, you don't have to. So we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.